Hey guys, this is Mike and Justin. We're here with Team Titanium at the 2013 World Championships. We're here with Cameron, Jay, Chris, and Laura. We're with the robot. So I'm going to hand the mic over here to Cameron. He's going to talk about some things.
Okay, well, I'll start with our drivetrain. We have an 8-wheel drivetrain with an 1/8-inch center drop. We have 4 Omni wheels on all 4 corners that help us with our turning radius when we tilt back. We have anti-mark super shifters for a high gear speed of 13.5 feet per second and a low gear speed of 5.5 feet per second. The heart of our robot here is our arm. It really has a function. It ties into every function with our robot. We simply use a piece of acrylic to scoop under the 2 Frisbees, and they back up onto the slip in the back. So when we pick up 2 Frisbees, they slide down the chute. We stop the first Frisbee with this servo right here on the front while the second Frisbee slides down into our bucket, and then we can simply release this and it slides down into the back. We have 4 shooting positions with these 2 cylinders here that we dog together. That allows us to shoot from different places around the pyramid as well as perform different functions such as slot feeding and climbing. Our shooting system is a bucket. We use a bucket to nest all 4 Frisbees, and we push them out with a cylinder right here. And it shoves the Frisbees up into the first wheel on a sim motor spinning at about 5,000 RPM, and the second wheel on a mini sim spinning at about 6,000 RPMs. And we have a curved and then straight shooter. Jay is going to walk through some of our autonomouses and our auto climb sequence.
All right, our autonomouses, I have 2 7-disc autonomous, a 5-disc, and then a 3-disc. Our first 7-disc, we shoot our 3. We pick 4 from the middle and the center of the pyramid, and then drive back to where we started and shoot those. Our second one is we shoot 3, pick up 4, and then we go to the front of the pyramid and shoot our 4 to allow our partner, just say they have autonomous that goes to the center of the pyramid. Our 5-disc, we start in the corner, drive and turn towards the center line, and we pick up the discs for the center line discs, drive back to the corner and shoot them. And then we have a 3-disc that just shoots 3 discs. We have an auto climb sequence for our climber, and everything's programmed in LabVIEW, and we made it so we don't have to climb the robot, the program does. So it's programmed so I hit a switch on the control box once, and it climbs to 10. Hit it again, it goes to 20. Hit it again, it goes to 30. And it has an e-stop function that I just slam on the switch, and it stops and freezes the robot. The mechanics behind the climber is going to be talked through with Chris.
All right, so the mechanics on this climber, we use these 4 BaneBot 550s to power the climber, and they run through a simulator from BaneBot and into a worm box from Andy Mark, and that creates a 180 gear reduction so we can have power and speed with it. And both of these gearboxes on either side are connected by one long shaft that goes under our shooter platform. And on that shaft we have the pulley spools for our strands. We use a molecular bond polymer string for actually lifting the robot. That's that white strand right there. And then a Kevlar string for our continuous pulley system is what we use to extend the climber upwards. And the strings are wound opposite from each other, so when one is being wound out, the other's being pulled in, and that helps. So when this is being pulled, this can go up and back the other way. And then also these hooks act as our passive hooks. They're spring loaded, so as we pull down, the bar engages this and they move back and then snap back over the bar. And then we're free to let go with this hook, which is the one that extends. And we actually tilt this arm back and forth, and we've created a 3rd stop on this pneumatic cylinder with these servo guys right here. They're aluminum rod that just extend in and out, and the arm comes down to rest, and that actually moves these hooks in line with the 3rd hook. So basically we just pull up, drop down onto these, tilt, pull up, extend, pull down, and get back onto these and just go over until we get to the top.
Well, that's great. We've really enjoyed talking about your robot all season long. So like Mike said, they're here in the Newton division. So we wish you guys the best of luck, and we look forward to see what you can accomplish the rest of the weekend.
Thank you.
Release the Kraken!